Just put eggs in Coca Cola and you'll thank me in the end. It's incredible. And that's it, folks. I've put 2 eggs in the Coca Cola here. Now I'm going to have to stir it really well. What a wonderful tip. Just mix it really well like this and it'll start to change color. It'll start to turn brown. Before I open it here, I'll need a blender. Here in the blender, I've already put some of this Coke in here, so I'm using a 200 milliliters Coca-Cola, and now I'm going to pour this Coke in here. Open it very slowly. I'm going to pour the whole mixture into the blender. And look at the consistency of this, guys. Look how it turns out, see? It's a very creamy mixture here. Next, I'll need a spoonful of margarine. Note that this spoon is quite full, and now here we'll fit it in my blender very well, and I'm going to whiz it until all the butter is dissolved. I've blended it very well, and then I'm adding 1½ cups of flour. You have no idea what's going to come out of this recipe. I'm also adding 200 grams of chocolate. I'm going to close it again, and now I'm going to beat it for another 2 minutes. I'd love to know where our recipe is coming from. Here in the sequence, we're going to add a spoonful of baking powder. I'm going to close it, and now I'm going to beat it, and I'll show you how it turns out. After I've mixed it really well, I grease the tin. Here I've used margarine and chocolate, and I'm going to pour our mixture into it. Now, here we're going to put a Coca-Cola cake in the oven at 180 degrees, for about 20 minutes. It's super quick. I'll show you how it turns out. I'm sure you'll be surprised. Now here our cake is already well baked. Look at what a beautiful cake. Super tasty and easy to make. Then I come here with a plate. I'll put it here. Guys, tell us in the comments what you think of this little recipe. And here then, guys, to finish off, I come with a ganache. This one I used milk cream and dark chocolate, but you can use whatever you like, and I'll put it all over it. It's mouth-watering. Look at this creaminess. Make it at home and you won't regret it. Look at this, people. Let's cut the cake here. If you like this recipe and want to receive more, you don't want to be left out of the news we have here on our page, write it down below. I want it. With this, the platform simply understands that you are interacting with the page and that you want to receive more news, and it will keep you up to date with all the best news on our page. Super cute. And in the video I told you that you wouldn't regret this recipe. I'm sure you've never imagined eating a Coke cake in your life, haven't you? This cake is delicious and makes everyone here at home happy. The flavor is incredible, so make it at home. Stay with God. See you in the next video. Bye.